Equip your ore scanner from the inventory and use it
What
to
are you
locate the ore
doing? You're
patches.
just standing there being useless.
But we just got here.
Par for the course.
Oh my gosh. Kobe, I've come to claim this node. Please get out of the way.
Well then I guess I'll just eat trees.
Yeah, you get the trees. I'll get everything
Delicious.
else. The nice thing that I do like about this is that you don't have to like open up the GUI. You can just like hover over wherever you want to insert or take, and you just click on it, and it does it. I think that's nice.
Click on what?
Like like you know, like the little interfaces and the yellow buttons. Like I like how you don't have to actually like open it. You can just like click onto the thing, onto the buttons. Like I wish Satisfactory had something like that. But it is what it is. Also, is it just me, or does like the tree, whenever you like cut down a tree, it's so loud?
Yeah, actually I just turned down my audio.
Yeah. No, it is ridiculously loud. Okay, now I have to remember the keybinds for this game. I switch back and forth between playing Foundry and Satisfactory, so every single time I have to like relearn what the keybinds are.
You're stupid.
What the?
That's what I'm hearing.
What's the keybind for doing anything?
C.
C is inventory.
B.
Isn't Q craft? Maybe I'm thinking of Satisfactory.
No, C is craft.
Oh, it wants you to. Oh, I just need.
We just haven't unlocked it yet.
Started.
Yeah.
Approach both of the ore patches and mine some more.
Gosh sakes.
Great. Now that we have
That's
an
kinda
initial supply of
stupid.
ore, we need to smelt it into plates and rods. Go back to your drop pod and use the built-in smelters to create your first crafting
I
materials.
need to unlock
Oh my god, the movement is so
wonky.
pshum, pshum, pshum.
Yeah, it feels like you're playing like a FPS game. Like the way that you just like.
Feels like I'm playing a .io game.
Yeah, it's really annoying.
Oh my god. And breaking up these giant rocks is always so like and they disappear.
Yeah, no, that's perfectly normal, you know?
Oh yeah, totally. Okay, what are you doing?
I need to
Are you setting up the miners?
I need to get more stuff. We need to
Oh, I have a bunch.
Well, we need to smelt it. Oh, okay, mister, I have over 200.
There. That should be enough to get us the miners and smelters over there.
Yeah, we just need to unlock. I'm almost there. I have 9 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
Now that we have basic materials available,
Oh, yeah,
we should start crafting building blocks which act as a foundation for other buildings. To do so, you need to open the crafting menu and click the desired items. Then, place them in the shape of a platform.
Thank you, sir. I don't care. I really don't care. You can stop.
Press F4 to skip.
Will be in higher demand. I suggest starting with that.
Okay.
I was telling Yonk about how this game feels like Minecraft because of like you can like dig up
No, it
blocks and
doesn't.
stuff. And so Yonk was just saying like, "Oh yeah, game with block, it Minecraft."
I mean, yeah, that's what people say. You know,
Yeah.
if you're really stupid, that's something you say.
Okay. That's good. How do I turn off the auto climb?
The what?
Auto climb. You turn that off.
Autobot?
No, no, not Autobots. And
Roll out?
No. figured it out. It's still happening. I disabled it. It's still happening.
Oh, you open your inventory and like right click on the crafting.
Yeah, I disabled auto climb, but it was still auto climb.
Oh, auto climb. I don't know.
It's
I'm fine with it.
still do it.
If you look down. Oh,
Okay, I found the problem.
if you.
If you
So
mine
you.
up, if you mine up a block while you're like running into it, you auto climb.
No, you actually don't. It's the other way around.
I'm actively doing.
It's the I actually auto climb unless I'm mining.
Look. Okay. Why doesn't it? It's just me? I have it disabled!
It just really wants to fuck with you.
Shit. Like,
Well, while you're running around doing useful things, I'm just gonna clear out the area for us.
oh my gosh. Well, I'm setting up like a little mining area.
I know.
Glad you know.
Well, I am getting us biomass.
So, Kobe, do you think this
What
is
are
a
you
AAA
doing?
game?
No! Stop!
What?
Build these on, like, this layer. That way we don't have to break the ground to expand it. Trust me.
Like, you're talking about, like, on here, right?
Yes. Otherwise, to connect areas, we have to mine through all of the ground.
No, but, like, I guess that's fair.
Oh yeah, I meant, like, do it at this level, not necessarily over there. But, like, trust me, don't build down. It's so annoying.
Yeah,
No, one above here, one above this, one above this.
Okay, you really, okay, yeah.
Trust me, I did it. I did what you were doing, and I spent like 10 minutes mining out an area before realizing I could just destroy everything and build it up.
Well, see, that's the thing that I realized in my world, too, but I was like, you know what, I'm already this far, I might as well keep going.
That's so stupid.
Thanks, Kobe.
You're
I always
welcome.
rely on you.
Trust me, as soon as we unlock that like ignium, like whatever,
Power
we can just power our entire base
Can I get
with
those
that.
building blocks back, by the way?
Oh yeah, one sec.
Kinda just stole. Stole my life savings. What? What is happening?
What did you do?
For extraction, we need to set up
What
a
is
dry mine.
happening? Why is it
Craft
going out
one
that
and
far?
place it on top of your foundation, right next to the ore pad.
Oh yeah, you have to look at like the blue like plane that shows up. If you try to look at the block you want to look at, it just goes out.
Yeah. Oh, it's because it's like, oh, that's...
It's really stupid.
Yeah. How did I introduce you to this game and you're teaching me things about the game?
Well, you're stupid.
Well, you know what? That's a fair point. Yeah. That's a fair... Can you... Okay. Kobe, I know
Oh,
we're
I
friends
can't
and all,
shift.
but I didn't consent to being drilled.
We are?
Okay, well...
Okay. Well, I guess you have all the things, so I'm gonna have to
Yeah.
wait for you
Kobe, you want to
to...
know how much mining I did? Like, how much terraforming I did in my world?
A stupid amount, because
I
you
had-
didn't be smart.
I had over 2,000 dirt.
Yeah, I got to like 300 or 400, and I was like, this is dumb.
Well, I did
Drone
2,000.
miners and
Wait,
most
no,
other
no, only
buildings
put
require
one. Only
power
put
to
one.
function.
I also put two,
Let's
but that's
build a
too much. We
biomass
should put this
generator
one on the
the
next
same
one.
foundation as
I
the
didn't
drone
even
miner.
realize that they
Once
could
built,
like reach
you need to harvest some
downwards.
plants and trees with your mining drill to
Oh.
That's
collect
'cause you're dumb.
biomass.
Yeah.
Insert the biomass into the
This
generator.
is so
and
fun.
it will
We should
start
play
to
games
power
together
all
more.
buildings on the same foundation as the generator.
Do you want me to build it? I'm making the biomass thing.
You took all the resources.
No. No, I didn't.
Go watch your mining drones acquire your first automated ore. Aren't they
Okay, I'm
beautiful?
looking. I'm watching.
Anyways, we need to get going. Let's build a smelter next.
I wish I could jump up. I wish I could jump up here. Oh yeah, and if you when you like fall off of blocks, you just go like flying. Like you don't.
I know. That's another thing. I was trying to like go like this, then up like that, but I kept
Yeah.
just flying off of it. I unironically was getting very pissed off.
No, yeah, I 100% was doing. Yeah, I was getting really annoyed because you just go flying off. I was like, why can't I set up like a thing? Like I was setting up like assemblers and stuff, and like kind of building upwards and like having them on top of each other, basically, like having multiple floors.
Oh, nice.
And I was trying to like, you know, go up, and I just kept falling. I had built like a staircase out of like conveyors, and I just kept falling off of them.
Oh my gosh. Wow, breaking trees is very big thing go fall.
Yeah, it's like you're in a jungle and actually chop down a tree.
Wow, that's crazy.
I know. Thank you for noticing.
The smelter is more efficient than the inbuilt drop pod smelter, so you should start using this from now on. Another benefit is that we can automate the smelters to make our life easier.
Make our
For
life
this,
easier.
You need to connect the drone miner to a smelter.
Skip, skip,
by
skip, skip,
using
skip, skip,
loaders
skip,
and
skip, skip,
conveyor
skip,
belts.
skip, 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 skip.
Oh, F4.
Let's. Well,
Yeah, I said that. Oh my god, you're
I-
dumb.
Listen, I don't listen very often.
Clearly.
Need more room.
You can build it.
Need more room. Trying to. What? There we go. Okay. Craft 8. Also, Kobe, you probably already know this because you're smarter than me. But if you right-click while crafting, it crafts 5 at a time.
you
Yep.
have the machines necessary to connect the drone miner to the smelter. Great. We can
Shut up!
a single,
Shut up, Carl!
a loader.
Carl. Is that his name? Oh, it is his name.
Finally, something I learned before Kobe did.
The most
Okay.
useful piece of information.
Yeah, his name.
What the fuck did you do here?
What?
I want you to look at your belts for a half second.
Yeah. This is so we can expand.
Oh,
it.
you.
But why?
Wait, what am I doing? B. That.
Well, yeah, I know you could do that, but you could, like, we need to expand it.
Oh no, we're going to destroy this. As soon as we get enough resources to build enough of these, we're gonna remove this, make a very large platform, and start putting everything on that. That's the plan. Does that make sense?
Yeah. See,
Oh
I
my
just kinda
god.
had my whole
What
setup
part?
of all-
I'm sorry. What part of you thought that this was permanent?
Well, in my world, uh,
Oh my, of course. And I thought I was bad at expanding. Oh my god.
okay, so listen. The way I expanded was I basically revolved my whole
Badly.
build around this ore and everything near the area.
No, me too. But like, you set up the miner, right? And then
Yep,
you pipe out of there into a large set of smelters that are nearby.
yep.
And then you pipe out from here into a large set of smelters that are nearby. Then you have a buffer tank. Then you have like 4 assemblers. And then 4 more assemblers that are making science.
Yeah, see, the thing was, I basically put the smelters, like, as close as this to the miners.
Which is fine. But like this? Oh boy. Oh boy. Smelter and some more of this. Oh, goodness. Okay.
Okay, I'm making 2 more smelters.
That's good.
We make such a good team, Kobe.
Whatever you say.
Oh wait, I need to place them.
We have completed our initial mission of setting up a smelting facility. We've done a great job, haven't we?
Yes, we have.
According to our business
I want
plan,
him to
new
die.
machine blueprints will be created from research. Let's get going.
We have done such a great job so far, Kobe. We, as a team.
Sure.
Oh, you know what? This would be really smart to do.
See, that's what you do. You see what I just did?
Yeah. This would be smarter. Yeah, that makes, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is definitely a good idea. Well.
Well,
Why did I think that? Okay.
I don't know. Why did you think?
I'm realizing how. I was looking at that smelter I placed out, and I was like, huh, I'm waiting for this thing to produce resources. It didn't have any ore going into it.
Oh my gosh. This is gonna hurt to play with you so much.
What do you mean? I'm a great person to play with. I promise. Trust.
Yeah, because it's fun laughing at you. Okay, take all of those.
Kobe, I'm exploring the jungle.
Okay. Oh, there is another thing of xenoferret ore. Huh. Where are you? You're going in the wrong direction. Okay, let's see.
Kobe, I got some stone.
I honestly, I'm okay.
I chopped down a really big tree.
Wow.
Okay, I'm going back to the base. I'm scared of the jungle.
No, it's okay. You can not.
Here,
Wait, no, those
do
are
you want me
mine.
to give you the resources so you can just make the research server?
Are you done being productive?
Well, no, I just figure that you're probably collecting the resources. Where'd they go?
No, I'm not collecting the resources. I'm setting up one more smelter on each. Nice.
pick up some rods?
Yes.
Oh, they're right here.
Huh?
I dropped some rods on the ground and I couldn't find them.
Okay.
Me playing with you feels like Yonk playing with me.
Oh my god. Incredible. Okay, now I can finally make 2 loaders. And do that.
Looking great, Kobe. Doing such a great job.
Do you want to do something?
Well, I mean, I'll know what to do and stuff. Just observing.
Here, I'll tell you what to do.
Supervisor.
Whoa. You can start connecting the
I just put
this
ore in
area.
there.
Oh, we have these. You
I
know
know,
that the
but-
landing pod has a 2-to-1 ratio, right? It's
Oh,
really
okay.
inefficient.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. Anyways, what was I doing?
Once we have a base layout, then I'll be fine. I just need to know where I need to put things.
Okay, so you see these 2 little plots of area that we have?
Yeah.
Can you connect them?
Sure.
Thank you.
Fine. Connected.
Perfect.
What? What's wrong with what I did? Should I make it bigger?
So remember how you said you wanted a place to put things?
And we can't put
Yeah.
things on a one by one.
No, we can't.
Oh,
How'd you get that?
Oh, it's just I'm really observant.
Sure you are.
It's my specialty to observe.
It's my specialty.
It's my specialty. What's that?
Yeah, how do I? Anyways.
Yeah, I'm making more building blocks.
Me too. Although I actually don't have any resources. Now I do.
For me.
Yeah, so like the second thing I did was just make a giant platform to start putting stuff on.
So like 4x4? Is that what we're looking at?
For now, actually, is probably a decent thing, simply because we don't have like anything else.
Oh, we're going really wide.
Yeah, well, we're gonna want to eventually have like all of our basic production on here, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish we had like a shared inventory.
Yeah. Oh, you just took all the plates. That's what I was
There
missing.
you go, there you go, there you go. It's on the floor, 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 it's on the floor. There you go.
Thank you.
What would you do
Okay.
without me, Kobe?
Probably be a little happier.
Yeah, but like, who needs to be happy, really? Happiness, smappiness.
Snappiness.
Yeah, that's what they say.
He's a poet, and nobody knows it.
Yeah. I'm too dangerous for even myself. Come on, Kobe, I'm making more building blocks. Don't you worry. No need
Don't
to
worry,
panic.
I wasn't.
No need to panic.
Okay, now go connect. Yeah, that. Okay, because now I'm gonna start taking all the rods and the plates and making even more smelters.
I have 3 smelters.
Oh, cool. So yeah, put 2 here and 1 over there. Ha! I got it first.
Put a second one down. How do you feel about that?
You're not important.
Okay.
Oh, my knees.
Kobe, so what do we do about this problem?
About what?
Hold on, I'll fix it. I'll take care of it, don't you worry. Problem solved. Problem solved.
Nice. Okay. And now we're making a decent amount of stuff. So I think now it's time to make a science thing.
I agree. Should I be the one to make it? I can make it.
I mean, I'm making one. You should also make one. We're gonna need several.
How about, like, we have an even number of smelters so we can just both grab from, like, half of them?
Yeah.
To advance in research, you need to make science packs. Craft a few by hand and insert them into the research server to research the beacon blueprint.
I can't wait to get
a
this.
prepared drop pod with an additional robot assistant on the station. We can call it once we've placed the beacon.
I think it does go faster the more you have with
Yeah.
stuff in them.
The more active ones you have. The one thing that really annoys me is that the research basically functions like it is in Factorio, where you need to have each, like, if you wanted to research something that requires, like, multiple science packs, you have to have all the science packs within one research server for it to, like, work.
Oh, actually?
Yeah, you can't have it, like, you can't have, like, science pack 2 in a research server and science pack 1 in a different research server.
Oh, that's dumb.
Yeah. So it basically, yeah, like I said, it functions the way that, like, Factorio does.
Oh well.
Got it.
Which
We now have the
I
beacon blueprint.
have hundreds
Craft
of
it
hours in
and place
Factorio,
it,
so...
but not too close to your
I've
existing
never
machines.
played it.
Those drop pods tend to land right on top of the beacons.
Yeah, I've heard good things about it. I just never played it.
The mods for it are crazy.
Oh, I'm sure. Oh no.
Now you might
Oh,
want to
okay,
take a
this is
step back
fine.
and look up.
I keep forgetting that it
Destroys stuff.
destroys.
Groundbreaker.
Yeah.
This corporate command companion bureaucrat bot, C3BB for short, will help us with the administration of our factory. First,
Oh wait, there seems to be a hole in the floor.
That's not important, okay? Just do your job.
Okay. Back to work.
Sir, yes, sir.
Oh yeah, I need to place that on the hub. Where do you want to put it?
Literally anywhere.
welcome to the ground C3BB. We have completed setting up our basic manufacturing infrastructure. What's the
No, we
situation
haven't.
on the space station? It's about to break apart, you say? Spontaneous explosive disassembly. That's extremely troubling. What now? There's a working construction drone bay.
You know the thing
Now that
that's
we
really
have
annoying is that
Once built,
so they have an AI bot that can like speak English perfectly fine and understand the robot, but they couldn't build like a translator for the robot so he could just like talk to us normally.
It's just an annoying.
Yeah, it's just a do. It sounds like a freaking old cell phone.
Oh my god. I don't care. Thank you. I don't care about you either.
agree.
Skip, skip, skip.
Okay, I'll build the space station.
Thank you.
Okay,
Ooh, I'm busy building science.
okay, I was waiting for like some pushback.
Okay, we're about to have assemblers, and then I will be very happy.
What should the company name be? Or do you want to do that part, Kobe? Do you want to?
Hey, you can name it whatever you want. I might have just made a horrible mistake.
How do you spell your name, Kobe?
C-O-B-Y.
Okay, I kind of figured.
I swear to god, if you just put like Kobe.
No, I wasn't gonna put that.
We're gonna put like Kobe and Sam.
No, I was gonna put Kobe and friend. Actually, no, I'll put assistant.
And assistant. Well. Did you do it?
Yeah, I was choosing an icon.
Oh, nice.
great. Our construct.
Okay, we're good.
Just sitting here
You're right.
spamming F4.
If we
Okay. Take stuff. Take stuff.
Yeah, I'm doing the
You wanna go
left
from
one.
F?
I'm doing like the left two.
Oh,
structures.
I just did the left ones.
Okay, then
I just do the first available two.
Okay, I'll just grab two, and then you just take whatever other two are available.
Sounds like a stand.
I feel like that's a decent process. I must say, this definitely does look a little bit cleaner than what my base looked like.
Look how much space we have to work with now. Like, isn't this incredible? Bam.
Yeah, it's great. Much sleeker than yeah, what my
Then floor.
no, what my base looked like in my world. Yeah, mine's a bit of a mess. As you can tell by the fact that, yeah, like I said, I had like over 2,000 dirt.
Yep. Sounds very not fun.
I think I'd spent probably about 30 minutes in total of that 2.5 hour playthrough just like mining dirt.
Jesus.
And then I was like, I
Fingers
wish they
cripes.
like had more drill speed upgrades.
They do. You
I mean,
just didn't
I
get
know
to them
they
because you were
do,
too
but it's
busy
just
drilling.
it's just that the level one doesn't like do much.
I
For
didn't
how-
even bother getting it because I wasn't drilling.
Yeah, I was doing it a lot, and I was like, I need this.
One of us knows how to play games. You'll never guess who.
Well, don't sell yourself short there, Kobe. It's okay.
Oh my god.
We need a staircase.
Do
Should we expand this
gosh.
part? So it's like,
maybe.
am I good? Am I good to go, Captain?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, yes, sir. Wait, I'm the sir. Fuck.
Assistant, yes, assistant.
Assistant, yes, assistant.
There we go. I think that's a little better. Should be good.
Okay, now we have all of these. And we need, what are these, plates? Yeah.
Doesn't it say each like minor thing can handle up to 8 smelteries?
I think so, but I don't have the resources yet. You're not taking your resources.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, I took from 3. Take from 3 over here. Okay. So where are we setting up the assemblers? It's having the research right here.
I think.
Sure.
Oh, this was just temporary research
Oh,
that I'm
okay.
putting up while we, so that like things get done.
That's
You know,
fair.
I just had like 7 sentences.
Oh yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
That. I think there's a way to like copy the settings.
Probably.
I think it's like V, Q.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you could just straight up. Oh no, copy. Wait,
Copy config.
F. What if I do Shift Q?
Oh, copy target with set. Ew. That's good to know.
It doesn't work. It's still.
Oh, that's.
Wait. Oh no, you can. If you hold right click while you're building, you can choose a different mode to.
That's cool.
That's so cool.
Need more building blocks. I have 200.
Oh, thank you.
Of course.
So, I can just build outputs. Oh my god, that's so neat.
Very neat. Am I good to expand this?
Yeah. You don't need to ask me for permission every time you do something. Just don't be stupid.
No, when it comes to base building,
Wait, actually,
that's what I'm like.
on second thought, maybe do ask me.
Yeah. It's mainly base building.
Okay.
That's where I'm like, I just kind of like wait and see what other people say. Because everyone like typically everyone has like their own vision. And I'm just kind of
Whoops.
there like, I don't really care. So.
Dude, my base on like the world that I had looks like a giant flat square.
So Is
Don't
there
worry.
anything like vertical? Like, have you gone up at all with anything, or?
Nope. I haven't done enough to need to go up.
Oh,
We're
that's.
already almost at the point where I'm at.
Oh wow. Yeah. See, I had Science Pack 2's automated, and it was really.
I didn't. I just did a Science Pack 1's better than you did.
Well, yeah. That's fair.
Booyah, get absolutely freaking
No,
Shrek.
the thing was, it took me. Okay, I almost got put into assembler. It took me so long.
Get into the assembler.
It took me so long to like actually start using like going underground and everything. So like, cause like going down is so much easier to like when you're doing like conveyors than going up.
Really?
Yeah. Because it's like if you go up, then you have to go like above machines, and if you want to like expand like the machines or whatever, it's just so much easier to have the conveyors go like underneath all of the machines, because they can just like float. They literally like don't need a floor, and then you can. Also,
I know. I did go up a little bit. I used some things to go above other things.
Yeah, it's just it's just easier if you do it like. I mean, obviously you can't have it go like. I mean, you can go below the machines. You just have to have like make sure that they're still on like foundation and stuff. But yeah, it's just not so much the smelteries or whatever. That stuff doesn't really matter. It's just the assemblers where you like need.
Yeah.
And then also if you're trying to like have, since you need multiple science packs inside of like each research thing, and there's 5 science packs in total, so if you like really were to have like a massive factory, once we get to that point, of course, then we can worry about it, but we don't need to worry about that now. I'm
We
just
don't.
saying, like,
Actually, that's something I just realized.
yeah.
Is I was being really stupid when I was building the things. Okay, here. Look. I'm gonna show you what I realized. Hold on, wait. Which one of these is making plates? This is the plates, so I'm gonna have it like this.
See, I always had the. Okay.
Need room for that.
Oh.
Okay, I know these all make science packs. And these all make the components or whatever. And I think we... One? Whoops. Okay.
Kobe, I'm gonna be completely honest. I feel like our brains are like. If we combined our brains together, I think we could like really do well. But individually, our brains kind of just suck. Like, I feel like.
Okay, so now this goes
like the way that I did the assemblers, I think is more efficient. But like when it comes to like base design and pretty much everything else, I feel like you do it more efficiently.
Oh wait, I don't need to space these out. I just remembered.
Yeah, that's why I was like.
Right, no, because I did it in a stupid way, and then I did it and then I realized I could do it in a smarter way.
I also just had, since these things are only like doing plates, I just had them over here with the smelters.
So maybe, except we need to split these off to use for other things. So we
That's
want to have like
true.
a backlog.
Yeah, that's fair. Wouldn't it still be nice to have the smelters like going, or the assemblers going the same way as the smelters?
The assemblers going the same way as the
Like
smelters?
having them like parallel to them?
Oh, yes, except that these are going to be coming into this system. So, like, this is going to be the research pack system. In the meantime,
Okay.
do you have any research packs?
I do not.
Oh, because all we need, we need 20. Hmm.
Yeah, see, the
Oh,
thing is,
you
we
know
need
what?
to. Yeah. So this.
Look, my system is really smart once you get the longer, what are they called? Loaders. Once you get the two long loaders, it works really well. Also, we're not mining enough to support all of our furnaces.
Yeah, but I don't think they. Oh, I guess they are extracting. So yeah, I had like 3 smelters or 3 miners in my world for like each thing. Because it says that one can support up to 8, but it's like it doesn't even seem like
It says
one.
one full. It says no. It says one full belt can support up to 8. It doesn't say how many miners
Oh,
makes one full belt. Yeah.
that makes sense.
Oh,
Seems
I
like
have to reconfigure all.
Seems like one miner supports like 4, maybe.
Yeah. 3?
Yeah.
Look, it only looks like 3 are.
Because yeah, 3 are yeah, probably 3. 3 at a time.
Okay. Well, for now, I'm just going to take all of these. And
Where am I putting the loaders?
huh?
Where am I putting the loaders for the assemblers?
Oh, yeah. Okay, but only put for these assemblers, not for these assemblers.
Okay.
Because as soon as we get to 20 science packs, we can research the long loaders and have a much better thing happening.
Okay.
Hey, we can actually get started on it. Yeah.
How do you
Huh?
copy target with?
What is happening? Oh, hold right click.
There we go. Okay. Got it. Got it. Got it.
So smart.
Thank you. I really do.
You're welcome.
I'm assuming we're going this way.
What?
Whoa!
What
Wait,
the?
what is happening? Why can I do? Wait.
What are?
Uh oh.
What is? What are you?
Wait. What?
Oh my
Why does it go
God.
like up and down? Wait, I'm so good. Wait. Oh, it's because it's like trying
Danger
to.
averted. With the station secured,
Wait.
we
What
can
are you
shift our focus
doing?
back to the factory. Good job.
Oh, it auto builds slopes. Oh.
You're right. Collecting biomass by hand isn't future-proof.
I was
We
testing
should
things.
use ignium ore and the burner
Uh-huh.
so that
So we
can
do like
automate
this,
our
right?
energy production.
Are we doing this? And then you'd have like loader.
Middle. Middle.
did you do this? Oh, it doesn't work. This is genius.
Why, thank you.
Well,
Okay.
actually, well, kind of. I love the, like, taking in, like, what you're doing. I'm like, it's not the most efficient way, but it looks cool.
No,
and-
but it is no, because first of all, how do you do more efficient than this? Second of all, every time you produce one, it goes into a different it goes into a different researcher, which means you're being faster. You're researching faster. What is happening here?
What? What's wrong with this?
Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna take our biomass burners and stick them, not on opposite sides of the base.
We want to just have them, like, yeah, more, like, in the middle.
I'm just literally gonna... And this should last us until... better. Okay.
Okay, so what's
Oh,
wrong with
dear.
this design?
Here, I'm just gonna... do this. Wait.
You do a different design, I want to see what you do.
Okay, so... these... are all gonna go...
You're just gonna have them...
like this. Like, same thing I'm doing over there. And then this, I'm going to have going through here. Perfect timing. Oh, that's incredible. Okay. Now I just need to get some...
Are you planning on doing... What are you planning on doing?
You'll see, you'll see, you'll see. You're gonna call me a genius.
Unless you're trying to get the loader with 2 lanes. But we don't have those yet.
We just got them.
You did?
Yep.
Oh, I thought you... Oh, you're right. Okay. I don't know
Oh.
why. For some reason, I thought you needed, like, Science Pack 2s or something.
Nope. But now, this is fully automated.
Yeah.
And it's so much smaller than what I have going on in my world. Like, let me just tell you that this is... Oh boy.
Yeah, this is fair.
You
Oh.
sound...
Well, the only thing I did different was obviously I connected them, but I'm trying to think of, like, what... If this is better than my design. I'm thinking it is, but... I'm trying to think
What
of,
did
like,
you do?
what happens when you try to, like, scale things up.
Well, each one of these is literally just a module, right? There's 2
Yeah.
loaders, 1 double loader, and then 2 of these, and you just add to the side.
Yeah. I mean, if
You want
guess-
to make
I guess
another
this
row,
does
you
work
just...
if you're just doing, like, science packs.
That's the point. This is a science pack system. It's a modular, scalable science pack system.
That makes... Okay, that makes
Right?
sense. Yeah. Because the thing I was doing is I was basically having, like, one... I wasn't doing, like, modules. I was basically like, okay, these things are going to produce resources. The resources are going to go here, and they're going to go other places as well. And it's like the whole It would basically be like a chain of assemblers all producing the same resource, all like together, and I would just like have the resources get like shipped off to other areas.
Right. That makes sense. I think probably later that's what we should do.
Yeah.
But for now, I think, like, I just wanted to get this online.
Yeah, no, this is. I definitely think this works for sure. Um,
Wow, that was the most. Yeah, I guess it kind of worked.
well, I'm thinking while I'm talking. That's why I'm like kind of like I'm registering the build. I do think it works though. I think it actually like. I think this is definitely better than the design that I have. Is basically what I'm trying to say.
Well, I know it works. I made it.
Well, when I say it works, I'm saying I think it works better than what I.
Of course it does. I made it.
Okay, well, you know. Yeah, also, this idea doesn't work anymore. Unless you do it like that.
That was very funny.
I mean, I
Okay.
guess this is fine, yeah.
This is all like temporary. It hurts me too, okay?
I,
Oh. Why is this side slower than the other side? There's like none of the xenopyrite.
do things like produce less? Like, do the miners produce less? Or.
I don't know.
Oh, wait, well, don't we need, like, double the rods? No, that doesn't make
No, we
sense.
need like one more of something. Oh, it's okay. Now we're making enough. Okay.
Oh yeah, you do need. Wait, but why are we? I mean, you do need more of the plates than you need the rods, because it's a 5-to-4 ratio.
Yeah.
But it seems like we're running out of. Oh, never mind. We're not running out of rods.
I think I just had to added. I think I just needed to add English. I think I just needed to add another like minor. Yeah, you heard me.
Yeah, I was thinking of Dr. Disrespect.
Yeah, this one in particular is just making less.
Dr. Disrespect coming back on the island.
Look, this one's backing up and this one isn't.
Well, no. Well, this does have less space to like export.
Yeah. I'm just gonna send it that way, so now they're both just loading into the start.
Because say, yeah, this one has less like smelters it can export, so it makes sense it's back. It's also just producing less resources as well because there's less ores that it's like.
Oh, I think that the ore is literally just
Ignium ore
farther
splitting.
away.
That'll come in handy. Ignium is an
Maybe.
ore
I don't know
that
if they
is
can
highly
share
flammable
like
and can
ore
be used for
deposits. I
automated
assume
power
they can.
generation.
I know, I
Research
think they can,
burner
but look,
generators
like
to
this
fuel.
one it's right in
Ignium
front
is
of them,
buried
and it's like
beneath the
one
ground.
below.
Use the scanner and your drill to
Where
find
Like
it.
it's literally just straight up closer to the. I'm at the other miner.
Oh.
I'm staring at the other miner.
Oh, you have multiple miners over there?
Yeah, so this one, it's like, you see how like close it is? It's like right here.
Yeah.
But for that other one, it's like a solid like 2 or 3 blocks below it.
Oh, I get what you mean. Like the actual
Yeah.
ore deposit itself is.
Yeah,
further.
the drones literally have to travel further, so they're slower.
And when you scale up that
This is
time
making-
difference.
They're each making 32 or 40 per minute. Honestly, it might be worth it to just move these down.
I mean, does it really matter that much?
Yeah, that's fair. Okay, never mind.
I was gonna say, we can always just instead just add more miners. It's not like a. I mean, like,
Damn
So-
right we can.
yeah, I mean, Dr. Disrespect did it, and he's fine. He's doing fine. So,
Is he?
well, to some people he is.
Not the kids.
Also, I just realized you could just do.
You can just do.
So dumb.
What
I
did you
put
do?
the loaders backwards, and I was like, "Hey, look, they're facing the output thing," and I was like, "Wait, but they're not the right color. Why does it say they're outputting?" And I was like, "Oh, it's because they're backwards."
So, yeah, yeah. And that's about all I have to say, folks. Ignium ore.
It didn't even dawn on me. Like, I saw the toggle button was on the other side.
And that's why I'm in charge of things.
That might
I'm
be
gonna put this over
true.
here. Okay.
See, personally, I like
Now,
Factorio's belt.
that's
'cause
enough miners.
You can have like two items, like two different items. You can have like one item on one side of the
Oh
belt.
yeah, it's like the 2-lane belts.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh well.
Womp womp. I mean,
Wah, wah, wah. Anyways.
I only recently learned that you could do this. It's like I did, or not
Do
so much
what?
that you could do this, but like I just learned, or I just thought about doing this like in my world. Putting
Doing
like,
what?
lanes where they just like combine together onto one lane.
Where are you?
Right here, like the conveyors. Like just have like conveyors coming from opposite directions, and then they just converge onto one conveyor.
Oh, yeah, it says in the guidebook that you can do that.
Yeah, I didn't think about doing that for a long time.
That checks out.
That's why like everything
Okay.
is like a loop basically. Because everything's just kind of like, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I don't care. Okay, anyways. Don't worry, I'm not talking to you this time.
This. At least we almost had the burner.
You just start crying. Huh?
Nothing. No, I was saying at least we almost had the burner generator.
Yes, yes.
We can basically like copy this
That's a
design
lot
for
of
like the science
technology.
tactics.
The recently unlocked. Our-
Yeah.
Yes,
I'm just I'm skipping the dialogue.
a
as
broken.
well. They're just he talks too much. Anyways,
I know.
where's the thing? Where's Ignium?
It's over this way.
Oh yeah. Hello, Ignis. Oh, yeah, that part-
Extruder?
right here. Right here.
Start mining, baby.
Okay. Who you calling baby? Baby.
We call him baby, baby.
I'm a mining.
Oh my god. One sec. I'm actually going to go to settings and turn down the terrain block shattering. I'm actually going to turn it off. So that I can see when I mine.
You know what? That's a good good idea. Wait, where is that at?
Under gameplay.
Oh, gameplay. Of course it is.
Okay.
It's definitely not a graphic. It's definitely a gameplay.
Yeah. Idiot.
I am so confused by how freaking this whole auto climbing thing is somehow working, even though I have it turned off.
Don't worry. Maybe turn it back on. Maybe you like toggled it so it does the other way around.
Yeah, see, I was trying that, and it just still just does it. Like, it just doesn't care.
Oh well. Yeah, so this is the set of quests I just finished.
Ah. See, I haven't actually even finished these quests. Like, I just didn't care to do the tasks.
Yeah, well, I think you need that stuff to like progress past like tier 2, so.
Yeah.
Oh well.
You definitely did. Movement in this game sucks so much.
Hmm?
I'm just complaining about the movement.
About the what?
The movement.
Yeah.
It's because you can't even like jump because it basically like because you like launch off of the side of blocks. You can't like jump while at the edge of a block. It like forces you to fall down, even if you like press
Yeah.
spacebar while you're at the edge. So annoying. Anyways, what's going on here?
I'm just making.
I only ever needed like 2
Um,
burner generators. Like you really don't need much.
Yeah. I'm just gonna set up 2. Where's the? I can only make 1? What am I missing? Oh, it needs a lot of plates.
I can make one, so we can both just make one.
Oh, okay. How big is it?
It's a 3x3.
Oh, it's 4x4, you liar.
Yeah, same thing.
Okay, wait. Whoa, that's not where.
I think that's a good spot for it. What do you think?
Okay, I'm gonna put one over here.
And then one here. Uh, okay. Yeah, just, yeah. What's the plan here, Kobe? Couldn't you just, like, move this slope over?
No.
This is, what?
Not allowed.
Okay.
Because remember, you need to have a output.
Yeah, but I was thinking you could just move the slope and then just have it, like, go directly into the burner.
Look, you're not allowed to be smart, okay? That is my
Okay,
job.
well, I mean,
Thank you.
You know, it's like like those episodes of SpongeBob when Patrick like gets a different
I've
head.
never seen SpongeBob.
Okay. You know those episodes of SpongeBob when Patrick gets a different head, and he becomes like smart.
I've never seen SpongeBob.
Well, basically, just try to imagine it after never seeing it. That's
Okay.
basically me sometimes. It's like occasionally
Whatever
I
you
have a smart
say.
idiot.
You do?
Yeah, occasionally. Doesn't happen very often, but occasionally.
Okay. Are these not connected? That's connected, that's connected, that's connected. This not connected, this is connected. These aren't connected. Yes. Why is it not mining? Oh, now it is. That was weird. Okay. We are producing power.
Nice. Are we expanding this just single lane of building block?
If you want to, but this is literally just to connect our power to our base.
Okay, got it.
So maybe eventually, but like, you know.
I'm gonna just add another row. Just
We did it. Automated power generation is the
Shut
backbone
up.
of every factory. Okay.
You think that they got the name for the little robot guy just from Star Wars? She has like the C3PO.
Possibly. BB boopy boop. My favorite
Yeah.
Star Wars droid.
No, it's like C3PO, like C3BB, you know?
I understand exactly what you're saying.
Okay, just making. Beep Boop is they like combine C3PO with R2D2.
Beep boop beep boop.
Yeah, I mean R2D2 literally is like. Maybe we can get C3PO to translate.
He does speak like most known languages or something like that.
Yeah, he's a brilliant robot.
Hooray! Alright, what do we research next?
Stairs.
Stairs.
Should we do science pack 2?
I can't tell. Yeah.
Hello, C3PO. Here you go. You're welcome.
You're right.
We're also constructing the solar panels, so those will be done soon as well.
The solar panels?
Yeah, for the space station.
Oh, sick! I never actually checked to do that.
Yeah, it's really not, you know.
So yeah, right here, like literally right now, is pretty much where we are. Is where I was,
Okay.
except I built a shipping pad.
Oh, that's what I'm gonna work on.
Oh, I just made it.
Oh, okay. You made an
Oh no, I
assembler?
didn't. No, I did. Okay, never mind.
I was gonna
Okay.
make another assembler so we could for it.
Wait, I think we have splitters now, don't we?
We have
You didn't
conveyor
research
balancers.
splitters? You're researching science packs before balancers? Whatever. It's okay.
There. You know?
Wait,
Switch.
no, wait, doesn't it save your progress on
Yeah.
science path?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, good. Okay. We have solar panels. Yip yip hooray.
I'm building a sales platform as well.
Nice.
I have no idea what any
Okay.
of this stuff means.
Me either, but I don't know if we'll find out.
We're becoming
Okay.
freaking salesmen, Kobe. Kobe, sell me this pen.
Wah.
Sell me this pen, Kobe.
Here, come over here. Get over here. Where are you? Stop.
Yeah.
Stop moving. Okay.
I'm sold.
I know.
You've convinced me.
Okay.
Should we add more of the
Anyway.
science savers? I feel like we should. I feel like we should just
Maybe.
expand this whole thing.
We can. Very easily, I might say.
Kobe, I need more resources. Can I just start stealing?
Yes. That's why we have all of these things. Are we out of plates? No. 77.
Okay, Kobe. Which direction do you want to? Oh, okay.
Oh, wait. Whatever. I want you to make these. Okay.
Come on. Finish making. Finish making. Finish. There we go.
Is something funny?
Yeah, I was watching jumping.
Oh.
We are going to like fly through the research for some of this stuff.
Very nice. Okay, after research pack, I don't care what you say. We are going to research. Where is it?
Containers?
Yes. No, not containers. Does that include
Well, we.
like the better container?
Oh wait, maybe not.
There's like a
Just-
logistic container that we can research.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So we don't need containers for that. Okay. I
Where is
100%
it?
agree.
But where are they? Because I researched them.
It's under basic infrastructure.
Oh, so we already have them?
We need science pack 2s for it.
Oh no, we have logistic container ones already.
Wait, we do?
Yeah, I'm just stupid.
Wait, where? Oh, there.
Yeah. Okay, anyways. Let's finish actually setting up this area.
Okay, Kobe, we're making profit. We're profiting.
Step 3. Profit.
Don't worry, Kobe. I am upgrading our space station. Soon we're gonna be the biggest sales space merchants of all time.
Okay. These are all producing now.
Don't you worry a thing.
Don't you worry, child.
What just happened?
Oh, and I can finally trash all my biomass and
Oh, it
biomass
was
burners.
lightning. Yeah, it's currently storming outside.
In real life,
Yeah.
I don't think it is not storming for me at all.
Yeah, I was wondering, I saw like a really bright light, and I was like, what was that? And then I heard the thunder, and it's like, oh, okay, that's what it was.
Okay, and we've almost doubled our research production.
Well, soon we're gonna have a solar array. So, you know, we're gonna be...
That sounds like a good thing, I think.
Yeah. I don't think it actually generates any energy for us.
Oh well. Oh,
It'd be nice.
what should we research now?
It'd definitely be nice if it did.
Let's research inventory size.
Kobe, I think we might need more power.
Why?
Our power consumption is currently higher than the grid can handle.
Oh. And you said 2 was fine.
Well, I
This
didn't
is why I
have
don't
this
trust
much
you.
stuff.
Okay. Alright, then I'll take a little bit of time to just like expand this. Okay, well at least we're mining. Okay.
Yeah, our power consumption is currently 4 megawatts, and we're producing 3.6.
Oh, okay, so we're almost like done.
Yeah. We really just need like 1 or 2 more burner generators if we want to like basically not worry for a while.
Yeah. Okay, are we out of plates?
No, but I get some dumbbells.
Ha ha ha. Oh, I think we are producing as much plates as we're consuming? Or is it just filling in these last 2 now? Oh, it's just filling in these.
Well, I did take some early. Well, actually, it's been a little while since I took some, so.
Yeah, no, it's just filling these in with like machine parts.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh, and something I just realized is because we're producing all of these machine parts, I can just run a belt all the way through
Oh, actually.
to connect all of them, and now we have an output for machine pipes right over here. Not machine pipes, machine parts, whatever the frick. You know what I'm saying.
Yep.
Yes, whatever you say, sir, please don't hurt me.
No, it's just, you know, I suggested this earlier, but, you know, you're a genius, Kobe. You know what? You're...
Well, no, you had a weird circle going on. Don't even talk to me.
Okay, listen here. What I do in my free time has nothing to do...
Bucko. You don't want to know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, what I do in my free time in circles has nothing to do with this, Kobe, okay?
Okay. Well.
That's for me and 5 other people to know, okay?
And 5 other people, whoa. Calm the hell down.
Oh, we play Ring Around the Rosie. What were you thinking?
Ring around the rosy. How do we make this work?
It's really annoying.
Because expanding underground. What's the button for
Yeah, see the
flashlight? The L.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's such a stupid button.
See, I personally, what I would do is I would move, because I mean it's gonna work, but it's just gonna be a little cramped.
Yeah. Okay. Because what I'm thinking is we could make a hole for like a raised conveyor belt over all of these, then underground have just one belt that provides to all of them.
Yeah. Or we could put assemblers on top of this and then have it, or even under. We could go down the assemblers as well.
No, because the problem is we want to hook all of these up into. So, look, Sam, come over here. What I'm saying is we
Yes, sir.
just have a hole over here with a raised conveyor. Then underground we have one long thing giving the tier 2s to all of these
Yeah.
that pops out like over here, right? So this would input down underground,
Yeah.
and like that's it. All the production would be up here.
No, yeah, I understand. I'm just saying that if you wanted to do this module thing again with the Science Pack 2s, you could have like assemblers below ground to produce the Science Pack 2s, and then just have the Science Pack 2s like go up into the research things.
No, I know. I'm saying that would be. But then we have to mine it all out.
Yeah. That would be the only
Here,
problem.
if you want to do that, be my guest.
Okay, we'll go with your idea.
Because we can make my idea modular. Like, yeah, because we just expand out this way.
Well, we can make
And
it.
then we have one. We can make a.
We could probably make it modular, but I just don't think it's gonna evenly distribute.
Right. Probably not. Or, look, honestly, what we could just do is expand out this way and pump into this side.
Oh, like pump into this side? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, just have
Oh.
make a big platform over here and pump in this way.
Yeah.
And then by the time we get to the next tier of research packs, we should hopefully have the research to not worry about this.
Oh yeah, they have there's like vertical things, like elevators.
Yeah, I know. I cannot wait to get there.
Yeah, no, it's gonna Okay, then yeah, we can just do it that way. That works. We'll do that. I'll build a bunch of building blocks and start expanding.
Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna do something, but I forgot what. Right, power. I need plates. Okay, now I'm gonna make 2
I need
burns.
plates too.
Please help. I have nowhere to eat.
Stop.
Okay,
violating
temporarily,
the law.
all of our power might be a little bit gone.
No, yeah, yeah. Definitely is the case.
Don't worry. Just don't worry about it.
Trust.
Trust the process,
I'm a
Luke.
doctor.
I don't believe you for some reason.
Maybe you're just a very skeptical person.
See, look. I'm not saying that doctors need to know English. However,
my country, my English is really good.
In my country.
In my country, we own bears.
Honestly, I'm proud of you. That had the opportunity to turn into something very racist.
I was gonna say goats, but I went with bears.
Once again, that had the opportunity. Okay.
Telling me that's 128? That's not 128. These building blocks are lying to me. That did not use 128 blocks to build a... This game is lying. This game is not actual. This game is not real life. Sir, our power generation is, non-existent.
Don't worry. Don't look. I'm working on it.
Don't you worry, child.
Yeah, your mama's got something.
For you.
The intake needs power.
Yeah. Loader
Wow,
needs
that's
power.
insane. Well, now we have power. Everything's working again. Okay, time to go do stuff. Oh, very nice. Oh, that's... I'm just slowly working our way through, like, light poles.
You're making light poles?
No, I'm
Oh,
researching
the
them because we have
research.
nothing else to
Oh.
research.
Oh, I was gonna lose it. I was like, what do we need light poles for? Kobe. I almost said yelling. I'm so used to yelling at yelling.
Oof.
Yeah,
Ooh,
I would
that
never
might-
do
that
that to
would've-
Kobe. That would be... Even I would
Okay,
be
thank you.
offended.
Oh, that scared me. That was fast.
Well, yeah, we have like 1 million research servers going at the same time.
Yeah. Okay, wow, this is nice. This is very, very nice. Menu DVG.
Are we just researching everything that just like requires basic tier 1 research?
Yes, because we might as well. Because wait, look at this build-up we have.
No, yeah, that's fair.
If I go into one of these manufacturers, oh, actually, there's no build-up.
Did you ever make the shipping pad or no?
It is not using. This one has 15 in it, and those ones only have 3. Probably because if it only uses. Oh, yeah. Okay. So if I research this, I think that used one from everything. Okay, alright, never mind. So, how are we doing this? How do you even make advanced research? We need conveyors and building blocks. That's not fun.
No, it's yeah, it's really.
I wish we could pin recipes. Oh my god.
That's not how you pin a recipe.
Shift right click to craft 100 item. What? Oh, actually, I'm gonna research signs and then maybe we can, you know. Is something funny?
That's for you, Kobe.
What? Oh. Thank you.
I accidentally made a ladder, and then I realized, oh wait, these things are way smaller than I thought they would be.
Oh, it's just.
It's just
Hello,
one
sir.
block,
I am one
yeah.
little ladder.
I was like,
Okay.
oh yeah, ladder.
We now have a buffer tank, by the way. If you, so, it's gonna be a lot easier to just pull stuff.
How do you? Oh, it's actually. Oh. I was, for some reason, I was still thinking satisfactory. Just open the big inventory, but so we can just take. Can we take from here? We can't take from here.
Yes, you can.
How?
You see the inventory thing in the bottom?
No.
On like, it's through the little box that says logistic container. You can take out of the stacks.
What? How?
Click on the top of it.
Not like up here. What?
You
need
can't.
this-
You can't like open the container.
No. What button do you press? Oh.
Are you just really stupid? Oh my god.
I was pressing E.
That made my day. You didn't click on it?
I wasn't. I was pressing E. I was pressing every button other than left click.
Oh wait, we have finances, we have sales platform,
Yeah, we need to put down a shipping pad. We don't need to use
station
it.
upgrade. Okay. So what should we do first? Should we start doing the next level tier of research, or should we start doing that?
I think we should do. We should probably get Science Pack 2s automated, and then we can worry
Yeah.
about the space station stuff.
Oh, we have another quest from our little stupid boy. Lights.
Go away.
We have a quest to tell us about lights. So that's decor. Light
Decor is
pole
rain.
2. Oh, they take power.
Yeah, but not much. It's like a kilojoule or like 50 kilojoules or kilowatts. Sorry, not joules.
Okay.
My bad.
So,
Can we get like more efficient smelters? These things use a lot of power.
I don't know. Okay.
Oh, what?
One sec.
There.
There and okay. Okay.
So doesn't it mean if we're going vertical, do we want to just go like up? Is that the consensus?
Huh?
Do we want to just go vertically up with like our production?
Yeah. I think so.
Okay.
Oh wait, so maybe instead of building this platform out, we just have... No. I really want to wait for verticality until we get the elevator.
Okay.
Unless you really want to build up.
I mean, it's just for Science
What?
Pack 2s. That's really the only thing that I'm... Because otherwise, it's going to be a bit of a mess with the conveyors, I feel like.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. Escalators? No. Walkways.
I mean, we have the, like, the slopes and stuff, obviously. But...
Right. I wish you could search in the research. Is there no way to search in the research?
I don't think so. What are you trying to find?
That is... I'm trying to find the like
elevator?
conveyor elevator.
It's under basic infrastructure. It's...
Freight elevator.
Or, no, that was something else.
Is it elevator or freight elevator?
Freight elevator allows you to do the items.
Oh, it's so far away.
Yeah, I mean, it's just a lot of researching.
Oh, but all it needs is just a bunch of... Okay. Station antenna. Well, I guess let's...
So that's why I was like, it's gonna be a little while before we do that.
Yeah. Man, that
What
sucks.
in the world? What are you doing?
I'm doing this so I can remember what we need in each thing.